everybody, my name is Aleksandra Pawlak and I'm the owner of Butterfly Effect Beauty Salon and Permanent Makeup Academy. I'm also sales representative for Island and Northern Island of Hanami Pigments. Here at Butterfly Effect Beauty Salon, we perform all permanent makeup procedures, including medical pigmentation, areola pigmentation. This treatment is recommended for clients who had breast reconstruction. We are using the Hanami pigments. This is pigments that contains Novox technology that improve the healing process, is working antibacterial, and also is perfect for the clients who had chemotherapy or radiotherapy, as their immune system is a little bit weaker. Hanami pigments also doesn't contain iron oxidate, and they are perfect for the clients who would like to do the MRI scan in the future. Areola line contains 6 pigments, 3 in the shades of brown and 3 in the shades of pink. Variety of the colors let us match the pigments with all skin types. The brightest brown natural tone color is Areola 2B. Little bit darker tone that contains also red undertones is Areola 3B. And the darkest color, this is Areola 4B, is also with tiny bit of warm undertones. The brightest color from the pink range, this is 1R. The medium dark color with the pink tones is color 2R. And the darkest color with the red tones, this is color 3R. Perfect Areola pigments are also available in the kit of 6 colors, in the smaller bottles 3 ml each. If you would like to order Hanami pigments in Ireland, please contact Butterfly Effect Beauty Salon or your local representative in your country.